Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
And I want to say catfish, everyone.
Valentine's Day to you.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, right. And she's eating some catfish from Cotton Patch earlier. And they're about to play with them some, what do you call that? That's some, what you call it? Some Play-Doh. Make me a flower, okay? Make me a flower. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Now I'm gonna take over some ketchup.
What you making, Gabby? So it's a mukbang / Valentine's Day / your hair's all up in your grill, girl.
Yes, it is.
It's all up in your grill, Phil.
Yes, I like ketchup with my ketchup.
Okay. Gabby, what you making? What you making, baby? What is that? What is it?
Hey.
It's a mukbang of Valentine's Day. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Faith is mukbanging some catfish, and they're playing with some Play-Doh. What are you making, Gabby Goo?
Oh, that's right. You have to rub these. I've always wanted to open one of these.
Okay. Happy Valentine's Day to me. I got a money tree. Just kidding.
Do you want some catfish? It's Valentine's Day.
Hold on, move it back a little bit. Faith's eating her some catfish with some ketchup. It's so yummy. It's so yummy.
It's your ball.
What are you making? Oh, so I'm making a ball? Is that catfish good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you recommend it to the world?
Quite a star lady.
How many stars do you give it?
20.
20? Not 10, but 20? 20 stars, man. What are you doing? That is not what you do, Missy. We already took it apart. Now you just have to make something with your Play-Doh. Hey. Hey, you.
Want to try some, baby?
No.
She said no. I don't want me no catfish.
Guys, I do recommend Cotton Patch. It's delicious. But they put too much salt
You're
in
totally
it.
talking with your mouth full, sister.
But they sometimes put too much salt on
What
their
is it?
fries.
Hey, what was I gonna say? I don't even remember. So what are you gonna make with your Play-Doh? A heart?
Try.
Oh, okay. Well, cool. Aw, kiss the bear. Kiss the bear, the fox, or whatever in the world that is. Yeah, that's a balloon. Hi, balloon. You're so cute. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Say,
Look what my friend got me, guys.
oh, who got that for you?
My GIRLFRIEN.
Girlfriend as in Lily, your friend?
No. It's Olivia.
Oh, okay. Cool.
No.
It's always nice to have girlfriends and boyfriends.
Look!
Gabby, you're making the bear go bye-bye.
Hello. Hello, blue. Hello. Hello, blue.
Gabby, you wanna fry?
No.
Do you want to fry?
Do you wanna bake a fry? Or go smash a dough?
Do you want to grill a fry? Or do you want to bake it up? Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I have no idea.
A ball.
Hey, look, miss, I guess you murdered the kids, man. Got a boyfriend, but he doesn't chase ya.
Don't ask, guys. Don't ask. What is that? It's Play-Doh. Play-Doh, Nado, Play-Doh. Yummy to your tummy, that's so yummy to your tummy. Yummy, 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 it's so yummy to your tummy. Yeah, me. It's so Okay, I'm just kidding. People are gonna turn off the video just because they're hearing me.
If any of you guys have ever tried catfish or not, it's delicious.
At Cotton Patch. What is that? I don't know what that is.
I think this is the tail.
What is it, Gabby? Can you make Mommy some earrings out of Play-Doh? Make Mama some earrings.
Kind of good idea. If we should use, if we have any old cookie cutters, we can use them for the Play-Doh.
Hey, that's a good idea. The cookie cutters are in the where the utensils are. Will you go get them?
What is your Play-Doh?
Like where the forks and spoons and all that good stuff is. That's a good idea. Happy Valentine's Day. What are you making, Gabby?
I'm gonna find where this pineapple one.
Oh, okay, well, make a pineapple. I don't think she knows how to do that. There you go. Flatten it out. There you go. I'm glad you thought of that, because...
Hold on, Gabby. Gabby, look.
Look.
Pineapple.
Ooh, look at there. It's a pineapple. That is so cool. That is so cool.
What is the tail?
You messed the bear up. Let's put the bear back up where you can see him. He's sitting up. That's so cool, baby boo.
Sorry guys if I'm not wearing a sports bra. Sorry.
Faith, you're so inappropriate. Stop it.
Right, you know what to do. Why don't you fall over? You guys keep falling over.
She's falling and she can't get up.
You're supposed to help.
She's falling and she can't get up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mukbang that catfish. Just look it, look it. Is it good?
Then want to try a piece of catfish? It's delicious.
She's trying to do what you did. She's trying to make something pretty. I tried to make something pretty.
Cause it
okay, guess what time it is?
What time?
What time is it?
Time.
What time is it?
We got no gun back beside this.
Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Wait. I got to videotape you doing it. Hold on. There you go, baby. Okay, ready? Okay.
Unbox the thing.
We're unboxing a Hatchimal because we're so cool.
And all you have to do is...
Okay, but I want to see it. Face it this way where we can see it. Don't get so close. Okay. Okay. But come up here, though. Come up here where we can see it. I wonder what's going to be in it.
Hold on, I need to see. Rub the heart for color change. It's not working.
It's not working.
Hey!
Why don't you want to work? Yeah, it's supposed to like crack. You're supposed to keep doing that and then it cracks.
I think it's because my hands are greasy a bit.
Because of the fish.
Yeah. Hold on. It's not working.
Your hair looks crazy. But that's what happens when you just get out of a bath.
I don't think.
Let me see.
I think it's because it works on different hand. Gabby, you want to fry?
No.
There we go. I got it. Okay, you finish it.
Oh, wow. Let's just break this thing open.
I wonder what it is.
So there's at least over... There's something... Oh, I was about to say there's something in there, but I feel...
Well, there's supposed to be something in there.
No, like I put something on the side and I'm like, wait, what?
Like, duh. What is it? What is it? I can't see it. You're putting it way out of the way. What is it?
I think it's a honey bear.
What is it? What is it? You see your little baby.
Oh no, it's a...
Hey, you're way too close to the camera. You're way too close. What is it? I can't see. Oh, that's cute, Lucy.
Hi, baby.
Aw. That is too cute. Look. Let's get way back because it's like... Oh, that's cute. It's a little bear.
China, I don't know why, but I'm kind of enjoying this.
That is too cool. You like doing mukbang and... Uh-oh, let's sit up.
No, I like doing unboxings.
Oh, okay. We'll have to do some more. Is that cool?
I think I saw like another blind bag somewhere.
Wow.
Did you just put the bear in the Play-Doh? Did you just put the poor bear in the Play-Doh? You just put the poor bear in the Play-Doh. For goodness sake. Oh my goodness. Okay. Tell everybody Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. And I hope if in certain countries, I'm not sure what to celebrate. Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. You're great. You're wonderful. You're poo-poo. You're great. You're wonderful. Aww. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Aww. You're great. You're wonderful. Bye, guys. Remember, please subscribe.
And she will leave a link down below to my channel if
Okay.
we can try.
Okay, we will. Comment. Give this video a big thumbs up. And let us know what y'all want us to do next. Do y'all want us to play with some more Play-Doh? Do y'all want us to get some slime out and have some fun? What do y'all want us to do next? I'll leave a 30. Bye-bye.
Do I have an open there?